You can stand to the left of Ken.
Okay.
Because Ken and Eli are going to be going on a secret mission. Where is their secret mission?
The Congo.
The Congo. You guys are in the Congo, and Gene and Vicky are going to be supplying the sound effects.
All right!
Well, if you don't like the scene, you can just go.
Someone's really lacking stress today.
Yes. Yeah, so if Eli's in the Congo and he says, I see a little monkey, Gene, you're going to... Alright, I guess he saw Jackass. So Vicky and
I think I just heard one.
He was looking at you, Dave.
Oh, that's great, Kate. You'll get yours.
Ouch.
Alright, so you get the end. You guys are in the Congo, and this is sound effects. You may begin.
Is it jungle drums?
I do.
I think there are a bunch of natives around a campfire. Listen. There's Indians in this Congo.
Oh my goodness! They were
No. What's that?
I think it was behind us.
It might be a gorilla.
Ooh.
Oh, easy with that thing.
I'm a little scared.
I think it's ghosts.
I thought we were going to a city in the Congo.
Careful, careful, careful. Don't step on those leaves. Listen.
Oh, I see.
They might give us away. Oh, I just gave us away. I stepped on them. They're throwing spears. I wish I had my tiara.
Hey, the spears are whistling at us. Yeah, I'm very good.
Very fast.
Oh, they must know how you look.
They're talking. They just said very fast. They speak the language.
Wow, talking spears.
Well, it is an English colonial place.
Oh, we're in the Democratic Republic of Congo, not the Republic of Congo. Okay.
Hey, is that gun loaded or?
I actually, the guy gave it to us before he fell down that sand trap. Remember how he went something really loud and ferocious?
Yeah, I think he stepped over here and then he went like this. Just like that.
That was amazing. Just like. Oh, I guess he's dead now.
Dolby stereo.
Like I had seen.